Now in this video, we're going to be talking about setting up a joint venture. You're now looking at the back office of our website, and we're now going to set the website up for more than one person to be able to post, as well as more than one person to be able to operate the site. We're going to do that by going to the users area, and you're going to see that we are the only user. Now, one thing that we're going to do right away is we're going to make this username and the name that people are going to see on the site to be something unique. So we're going to edit this, and we're going to go here and click edit. And we're going to then change the name that's going to be displayed publicly. And so we're going to change this to, and then we're going to click save. We're going to come back, and then we're going to display the name publicly in that way. And we're going to come back and update the profile again. Now, all the posts that we are involved in are going to say this name, or whatever name that we designate that's going to be here, where we say display name publicly. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add in the people that are going to be jointly operating the site with us. We're going to do that by going to add a new person. And we're going to give that person a username, and we're going to write in all the information and then send it out to them. Now, as we're setting up the account, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the user is going to be sent their email about their password and logging in. Now, that's not the most important thing. The most important thing for us to determine is going to be the person's role. Now, if the person is actually going to run the site with us and they're going to be in charge of making some of the decisions, you may want to make them an administrator. That will give them the ability to bring people on or take people out. If they're going to have that level of authority and level of decision making, you want to make them an administrator. Now, if you're talking about someone who's going to be posting primarily and who's going to be operating the blog and they're going to be creating content, then you want to make them someone other than an administrator. And if you want to give them charge over some of the other content, then you can make them an editor. However, you just want them to be a contributor. All you're going to do is give them access to be able to post. Then you can make them just a contributor or an author. So once you've determined that person's role, you're going to click Add New User. And once you've created a new user, anytime that you want to change it, you go back, you can edit, and then you can change their role. Or you can even change what they are going to appear as when they post. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.